Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, got another part for the 2023 Polaris Ranger 1000 XP. It's actually, I got it in the back. So right now, it's just kind of in the corner of my bed, but this is a KEMIMOTO I think they call it an ATV bag, but I've been using it in the back of my Ranger here. I actually had it on a rack back here. I think I have some pictures of it, so throw some pictures of it. I think really it's designed to go on an ATV. You can see it's dirty and it's been in the rain, a little bit of snow. So I've been using it. We're going to open it up here and it should be nice and clean inside there versus the outside here where it's pretty dirty. I've got my my toolkit and actually my cover in here, and I could actually get more stuff in there. I don't really have more stuff to put in there, but it's a pretty decent sized bag. You've got these straps right here. This is actually what I had attached to the rack that I used, but these are the straps you're going to use to strap it on the rack of an ATV as well. So it's pretty versatile little bag here. Actually, it's not a little bag, it's fairly big, but I'm going to set the camera up. I'm going to bring this out here. We'll get her opened up and you can see the inside of it. Okay, so we're going to get this thing out. We're going to take a look at what we got. So this thing's got Velcro underneath it. These really nice heavy flaps here. That's going to help keep dirt and moisture off the zipper, which is going to help keep this thing waterproof and dust proof. But anyway, there's just a couple zippers here. Take the zippers all the way back around. And there you go. You can see it's perfectly clean inside here. If there was any kind of leakage, it would be in here. There would be some sort of evidence. And like I said, this has been back here for quite a while. I'm in the process of changing my bed up again, so that's kind of why the rack isn't in here that was in here. But yeah, it's like I said, I got my big toolkit in here, and then I've got my this is my cover for my Ranger. So you can see up here, you've got bags with like a little Velcro piece, and you can put little stuff in here. Like I said, I've got room. There's all kinds of room above this tool box for all kinds of stuff. There's a big zipper here where you can put something in there. And there's pockets here, a couple of slots here to stick some other things. But really, there's slots here to stick stuff on the side of the wall. Now, I didn't get an unboxing of this thing, so I can't really show you that. But when you get it, this thing is relatively flat. It's pretty folded down. And you get, here's actually one of the dividers. You can put this in here and divide this into half. And then you can divide that in half as well. But you get, when you get it, like I said, it's relatively flat for shipping. And you got to open these zippers up right here. You open these zippers up and you insert these stiffeners, and that stiffens the side. So it holds its shape more. Now, one thing, kind of an idea, if them aren't strong enough, they are kind of like cardboard, but they're pretty stiff. But if they're not strong enough for what you need, you could actually make a little pattern out of like Luan or something like that, something cheap. And you could really make these sides stiff if you really want to stiffen this thing up. But yeah, it's definitely waterproof, definitely dustproof. I've proven that because you can see, like I said, the outside is just all dusty. And the inside, it looks perfectly clean. So I'm happy with it. Okay, so also with the bag, you get this cooler. This little cooler bag, it's like lined, so you can put like ice and stuff in it. So you get this along with the bag. And like I said, I almost forgot to show this. Almost forgot about it. It's been in my cab. I put it like a center console in my cab. So yeah, a nice little bag. It's actually a fairly big size bag. And yeah, you can leave it in your ATV bag, or like I do, I actually use it separately. So I guess, guys, there's my review of the KEMIMOTO ATV bag. I'll link so you can go check it out if you want to. But yeah, I'm pretty confident this is a really nice bag. So that's going to do it for me on this one. I'll see you guys.